Welcome to the tutorial on onboarding data. In this tutorial, we will see how the users can onboard the data onto the PurpleCube Analytics platform using Embrace and Upload Data option. Click on the Data tab, click Embrace, click Add Connection. The user have 6 connection types. In the PurpleCube case, it is always Snowflake, which is the data warehouse of. But let's say if the users have their analytically consumable data in any of these data warehouses, they can utilize these connection types too. Embrace is a live connection to these cloud data warehouses where the data still resides on the data warehouse and only a connection is established and every query is run on these cloud data warehouses utilizing their processing power. Let's select the Snowflake connection type. Give a connection name and description. Click continue. Give account name, username, user password, role, warehouse. Select the database and continue. Connection details provided is accurate. The users will be moved on to the next tab where the users can select the data tables, available schemas. Click the table name and select the columns required, or if the requirement is all columns, select all columns. Click on next table, all columns. Now we see that under selected category, we have 2 tables listed. That is enough for this connection. Create connection. 2 tables and 53 columns are being added. Click confirm. And now the tables are available in PurpleCube Analytics for search. Now let's go and see how the users can onboard the data using upload data option. For the ad hoc analysis, if the user wants to upload a CSV or an Excel onto the platform, and upload it if the file size is less than 50 MB. Browse your files, select the file which you are interested in, and if the sheet has column name, select yes and select the delimiter and next. And now the sample data is available. If we want to make any changes to the column names, we can make it here and click next. And here we can select the column types we want to change it and click upload. Now the data has been imported onto the platform. In this case, 10,000 rows have been imported and now it is ready for search. This concludes the tutorial on onboarding data. And in the next tutorial, we will see how the users can search on top of this data and create answers and pinboards.